In a world where deadlines are tight and production never stops, you need a machine that doesn't just keep up, it leads. Introducing the Powerscreen Chieftain 1700, a mid-sized screening powerhouse built to handle serious workloads with speed, precision, and relentless efficiency. From the moment it hits the ground, this machine means business. With a setup time of under 15 minutes and radio-controlled tracks, operators can position it exactly where it's needed. Fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Then the real work begins. At its core is a heavy-duty 16-foot by 5-foot screenbox, available in 2 or 3 deck configurations, designed to deliver accurate, high-quality material separation. Whether you're processing topsoil, coal, or aggregates, the Chieftain 1700 keeps everything moving, clean, consistent, and efficient. With a processing capacity of up to 500 tons per hour, this machine is built for high-volume operations. Backed by a reliable CAT C4.4 engine pushing 111 horsepower, it delivers the power you need to keep production running strong all day long. Material flows seamlessly through its system, from the 7.5 cubic meter hopper through the screening decks and out via a wide 1050mm main conveyor and 650mm side conveyors. Every component is engineered to reduce downtime and maximize throughput. Maintenance simplified, access optimized. Thanks to its transverse power unit design, servicing is faster and easier, while the high-efficiency screen mesh access system allows for quick changes, keeping your operation running with minimal interruption. And for even greater versatility, the optional flail-type shredder adds an extra edge. Perfect for breaking down tough topsoil before screening. This isn't just a machine you operate, it's a machine you rely on. Powerful, precise, built for performance. The Powerscreen Chieftain 1700, designed to handle the load, dominate the job site, and keep your operation moving forward. Ryan here from RPG Equipment. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.